To sync the Bill.com API webhook, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must create an API user account on the Bill.com website. This will give you a unique API key and API secret that you will use to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to choose the webhook events you want to receive notifications for, such as when a new bill is created or when a payment is made. You can do this by going to the developer portal on the Bill.com website and selecting the events you are interested in. After selecting the events, you need to set up a webhook endpoint on your server. This endpoint will receive the webhook notifications from Bill.com. The endpoint must be able to handle HTTPS requests and verify the authenticity of the requests. To verify the authenticity of the requests, you need to use the API secret to validate the signature of the requests. The signature is included in the header of the request and is calculated using the API secret and the payload of the request. Once you have set up the webhook endpoint, you need to test it to make sure it is working correctly. You can do this by sending a test notification from the Bill.com developer portal. If the endpoint is set up correctly, you should receive the notification and be able to verify its authenticity. Best practices for syncing the Bill.com API webhook include using a secure connection to prevent eavesdropping and tampering, verifying the authenticity of all requests, and handling errors and exceptions properly. You should also make sure to follow the guidelines set out by Bill.com for webhook implementation. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sync the Bill.com API webhook and receive real-time notifications for the events you are interested in. This will enable you to automate your workflows and improve the efficiency of your business processes.